Illustration number 18. The probability density function of a normal variable is as under f of x is equal to 1 by 4 in root 2 pi into e raised to minus 1 by 32 in bracket x minus 15 whole square minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Obtain parameter of this distribution and find the values of the following two values given. So first of all, parameters, it is mu and sigma find out. Now next step, 1 by 4 in root 2 pi into e raised to minus 1 by 2 into 16 in bracket x plus 50 whole square minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Now next step, 1 by 4 into 2 pi into e raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay, 16 square root 4 whole square less than x less than infinity. Okay, so this equation compared to normal probability density function, the value of mu and sigma find out. Actually formula 1 by sigma under root 2 pi into e raised to minus 1 by 2 x plus mu divided by sigma. So value of sigma is 4, standard deviation, and mu is 50. Okay, first question number 1. Find the value of p of 52 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 58. Two values is given. P of 52 less mu is 15, sigma is 4, less than or equal to x less mu divided by sigma less than or equal to 58 less 52 divided by here 50. 52 less 52, 2 by 4, 0.5 less than or equal to there less than or equal to 58 less 58, 8 by 4, 0.5 to 2 between area find out. Base shift row 0.5 Z1 and Z2 is equal to 2. So 0 to 2 less 0 to 0.5 area between 0.5 to 2 between. Next, P of 0.5 less than or equal to that less than or equal to 2 is equal to 0 to 2 less 0 to 0.5 area less 0 to 2 value of 2 0.4772 and value of 0.5 1915. Answer is 0.2857. Probability between 52 to 58. Next, number 2. P of in modulus x less 45 less than 4. So definition of modulus, one time negative, one time positive. So P of minus 4 less than or equal to x minus 45 less than or equal to 4. Okay. Here value of 4 is given positive, so one time positive and one time negative. Modulus sign is cut with the definition of modulus. One time negative, one time positive. Between always x, so minus 45 cut, So next step, equation plus 45 minus 4 plus 45 less than or equal to x minus 45 plus 45 less than or equal to 4 plus 45. Okay, equation add by 45. Now next step, P of 41 less than or equal to 45 cut, तो सेंटर में होगा हमारा वैल्यू ऑफ x. तो फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी 41 to 49 between. Next step, P of 41 value of mean 15 and standard deviation sigma is 4. 49 plus 50 divided by 4. P of minus 9 by 4 minus 2.25 less than or equal to z less than or equal to minus 1 by 4. Answer is minus 0.25. Del step draw. Plus and minus infinity. Both the values are negative. Z1 minus 2.25 and Z2 minus 0.25. This area less. Minus 0.25 to 0 minus 0.25 to 0. Next step, minus 2.25 less than or equal to z less than or equal to minus 0.25 is equal to P of minus 2.25 to 0 minus 0.25 to 0. Both convert to symmetry. So 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 2.25 less P of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0.25. Bracket write down symmetry. Next step, value check it. 2.25 48 78 minus value of 0.25 table 0.0987. So difference 0.3891. So area between 41 to 49 is 0.3891. Write down. The probability density function of normal variable x is defined as under f of x is given constant into t raised to minus 1 by 2 in bracket x minus 25 divided by 10 whole square minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Okay. Here directly given function equation x less mu divided by sigma. Okay, the value of mu is 25 and sigma is 10. Okay, the directly value is given x less mu divided by 25. Okay, sigma whole square. So mu is 25 and standard deviation sigma is 10. First question, find the third quartile Q3. So properties for normal density function Q3 is equal to mu plus 0.675 into sigma. Mu and sigma, mu is 25 and sigma is 10. 25 plus 6.75. Value of Q3 31.75. Second question number 2. Find the quartiles division. Quartiles division formula QT is equal to 2 by 3 into sigma. 2 by 3. Value of sigma is 10. 6.67. And number 3. Find the mean division. Mean division formula 4 by 5 into sigma. 4 4 by 5. Value of sigma is 10. So mean division answer is 8. Write down illustration number 19. The extreme quartiles for normal distribution are 20 and 50 respectively. Extreme quartiles Q1 and Q3 both values given. Obtain the limit which include 95% of the observation of the distribution. Okay, properties here 95% observation including mu plus minus 1 sigma. Okay, 95% observation include in mu plus minus 1 sigma. So first of all write down extreme quartile Q1 and Q3. Q1 is 20 and Q3 50. Okay, so first of all find out mean. Mu find out. So mean, median and mode are always same. Mean mu is equal to Q3 plus Q1 divided by 2. Value of Q3 50 plus value of Q1 is 20 by 2. Mean is 35. Q3 and Q1 both is given, so find first of all value of sigma. The formula quartiles division is equal to 2 by 3 into sigma. Quartile division Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into sigma. Value of Q3 50 and Q1 is 20. 50 less 20 divided by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into sigma. Using 30, 50 less 20, 30 by 2, 15. Opposite inverse value, sigma is 22.5. 95% observation include between limits mu plus minus sigma 1.96. Mu plus minus 1.96 sigma. It means one time negative value, one time positive. Next step, value of mu. Mean is 35 minus 1.96. Value of sigma is 22.5. 35 plus 1.96 in bracket 22.5. Now next step, 35 less multiply 1.96 into 22.5, 44.1. Same value opposite plus 44.1. Answer is minus 9.1 to 79.1. So 95% observation include between minus 9.1 to 79.1 between. Okay. Write down illustration number 20.